How do you motivate the next generation? It's actually a mistake to say that we need to motivate them, from the time they are 8, 9, 10, 20, that we need to all of a sudden motivate them so they're going to be the best owners of this family business ever. You really want somebody to find their identity first. If everything that you define about them in terms of their goals or their hopes is about their relation to the family business, then think about what that child looks like as they grow up. Their identity is going to be so entwined with the business that it's going to be really hard to separate. I think at the end of the day, it has to do with, let's prepare our next generation to address any challenge that comes their way. We are not going to have all the answers ourselves because they're going to be faced with different questions, different landscapes. And so it's not just helping them get to the right answer in our eyes, but it's helping them figure out, how do I approach a problem? How do I think critically about it? What are the options and the trade-offs? And then how do I make really tough decisions?